It's the Lego Mercedes truck arocs or whatever it's called. This is really amazing. I mean, it's probably the most challenging build I've ever built. Just because these trucks and these big vehicles, they've got so many tiny parts. So a Lego set of similar size, 2,500, 600, 700 bricks, like a modular set, it'll take a couple of days. This took me 4 days because it was so many bits, and a few times I made mistakes. I had to come back. It's pneumatic. It's got all these little tubes here. It is really clever. It pushes air out through to make all these things work. Look at it all connected. It is fun. Really good set. So let's try and give it a go. I can't even remember what each. That turns that, and then that way. So that's that. Whoop. Like that, and then you can change it. So if you want it to go onto the lorry at the back, that you go like that, and then I think, no, you don't. What do you do here? You do that. No, that stayed in the middle. There you go. I'm a lucky child, really, aren't I? This is brilliant. Really clever set. Very, you know, look at all the working parts. It really, sometimes it was just it was a pain when I messed something up, but most of the time it was a really enjoyable build. So that's that bit. Then to bring out the pump, you go like that, and then to bring out the, I think you do that. No, wait a minute. What do I do here? I can't even remember. Might be that. Wait a minute, let me pause it. Okay, and then also you can make the side come out, so on both sides. You can see down there it's come out on that side as well. So that's the truck. Now the pump. So you can make all these bits move. Look at that, look. See, that's coming out slowly. Oh, wait a minute, no, it's because I haven't got it on. Well, that's going back in. Oh gosh. You could do that, and then there, look, that's going back in. Make that come back out. The little levers here, just like a real truck. And that come out. Still going. And then that will make it go up. Whoosh. Oh good God, have I done something wrong? No, here it is, look, it's going up. Went to. There you are. Then I think on the other side, what does that one do? That's it, makes it close, look, and it makes it open. And then that, what does that do? Oops, yeah, it goes down, grabbing my arm, and off it goes. But that's it. It's really enjoyable build. And then you can see the inside of the cab as well. So that's that one. So that is how you can drop the back, open it. All these tiny parts. Oh. That's the front. That's it. Thank you for watching. We've got some nice bits and bobs coming soon that you will like a lot. So I've been really building as much Lego as I can lately to get it all out of the way so I know exactly how much space I've got left. Bye.